The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that each and every one is okay and alright. Now, for many years, like many years, many people within the United States of America questioned how United States of America law enforcers detain or arrest persons. You see me? Now, in my point of view, ever since the incident that claimed the life of a person who is known as George Floyd, it seems as if many people are even more concerned as to how police within US detain or arrest persons. You see me? Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video is going to show law enforcers arresting a person within a place that is known as Carolina, that is within United States of America. Now, in my point of view, it seems as if these sheriffs are having somewhat of a difficulty arresting this person. Now, this video is out on social media where comments have been made about this video on social media, and some of these comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that these sheriffs are not trying to use excessive force, and some of these comments gave me the understanding that persons are talking about the chokehold as well, isn't it? And other comments have been made about this video on social media, other things have been said about it, And I'm going to present this video to you so that you can have a look at it for yourself. And you can also let me know what you think, alright? Now, I'm going to ask this question. Are these sheriffs doing their job properly? Yes or no? You see me? Let me know what you think. Now, as I'm about to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Alright, now here is the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Do you mind? Okay, do you mind? Right here? Hey, make sure you videotape. Videotape. All right, look, wait. I can put it there myself. Just let me do what you're saying. Put them together. Just let me do what you're saying. Okay, look, you asked me if there's anything. Put them together. Okay, wait a minute. Put them together like that. We're gonna put them down. But she asked me. Square them up like this. Okay, I can't bend my knee like that. I had surgery just like this. No, I'm saying I can't bend them all the way that side. All right, this is what we're gonna do. Look, this is what I'm saying. Yes, but she asked me. I asked him. Okay, for the body cam, she asked me, is there anything they can do? Alright, we don't want to tell you, but if we have to. I'm not. Okay. Alright. You gonna let go of my leg? I'm not even doing it. Hey, let go of his legs. Let go of his legs. I can't. Let go of his legs. There we go. You got one arm? Damn. Hold on. I got this. I got this. Okay, you up? Alright. I'm not doing nothing. Y'all cross me around. Make sure you record this. Make sure you record it. Hey, they hurt my arm. Just know that I told them they hurt my arm. Like you bend my arm back too far. No problem. Oh. Hey, look. Make sure you know. Walk forward, please. Make sure you know. Walk forward. That they're bending my arm and telling me to walk forward. But they're hurting my arms to the point where I can't. All you gotta do is walk forward. Notice my wrist. Come get my wrist, please. Notice my wrist have been. Go ahead, notice my wrist have been cut. Hey, look. So that's how y'all gonna do. That's how y'all gonna do. Sir, so that's how y'all gonna do. So that's how y'all gonna do. No, y'all gonna y'all gonna slam my head against the window. Please stop. No, you're trying to make it look like. Stop. Oh my God. Hey! Somebody help. Ow! Oh, somebody help me. Ow! Oh my God. Somebody help me. Oh my God. Somebody help me. They hurt me. Oh my God, they hurt me. They hurt me, please. Please, somebody help me. Somebody help me. Go ahead. Please get this to the news team. Please get this to the news team. I will not be abused. I have rights. I will not be abused. At this point, I feel my life is in danger. Right. At this point, I ask that you got Captain Wilson out here so he can be. Look at his arm. Look at his hand. Look at his hand back here. What he's doing on my arm sheet. Make sure you get this. Make sure you get all of this. Make sure you get all of this. You see my wrist? Yeah. Make sure you record all of this. I asked that you get Curtis Wilson down here because I would have felt safe and secure because he's a trusted officer. But y'all didn't want that. Y'all refused to get him down here. You don't have to bend my arm like that, sir. You put my arm down. I swear to God. I swear to God. You don't even know my attorney. I swear to God. I swear to God, Cap. I swear to God, y'all wrong with me today. Y'all wrong with me today, Cap. Please know this. Please know this, Captain. Captain, please know that y'all wrong with me today, Cap. Cap, please know this. I was wrong because there was no contract. Now you arrested me for $7 that I had no intention or no knowledge of having to pay. Just remember that now. And remember I told you this. There was no legal standing in that car or anything dealing with $7. Notice, Captain. You got it? Please say you know this. Stand up. Take his stuff. Just know you know this. Just know you know this, Cap. All right. Just know you know this. Just so 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 you know this. Oh, really? Oh, really? Oh, you gonna choke me now? Oh, you gonna choke me now? Oh, you gonna choke me now? So now we choking me. So now we choking me. So now we choking me?
Hold on 1 second.
So now we choking me? So now we choking me? So now we choking me?
Hold on.
So now we choking me? Huh? So now we choking me? Huh? Now we choking me? Now we choking me? You gonna choke me now for $7? Yeah. You gonna choke me now for $7? You gonna choke me now for $7? Huh? You gonna choke me now for $7? Huh? Hey, get my phone, see?
Hold on, and you got my stuff in your pocket.
What we gonna do? Get the news team down here. You gonna choke me now for $7? Please, ma'am, call the news team. Please. What? I did nothing wrong. And these people have been abusing me. No. Hell no. Please call the news team. Please. Please, ma'am. Please call WI. Please. Please. Please, ma'am. Please. Please, ma'am. Please. Please, ma'am. Please. Please, they abuse me. Please, ma'am. Ma'am, please. Please, ma'am. Ma'am, I have no phone. Please call them. Please call somebody. Please, ma'am. They abuse me. Please. Please, I'm asking you. I'm begging you, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm begging you. Please call the news team. Please. Oh, my God, please.
Right. Give me.
Please call the news team.
I need my stuff out your pocket. So I can.
Please. Please call the news team. Please. Please, ma'am. I'm wrongfully being arrested. I'm wrongfully being arrested. I'm wrongfully being arrested. They have bruised my wrist. They have choked me out. They have bent my knees and arms backwards. I asked them to call Captain Wilson, which is an African-American captain, and they refused.
Central 982,
I told them
index one more unit, please.
that I would go along if they called Captain Wilson, and they refused. Ma'am, please. Please, somebody call. Please. Please, somebody call him. Please, somebody call. Somebody, please get the news team out here. Please. Please. No, because I'm being wrongly arrested. It was no fee for no fare. I paid what that fare said. It was no additional. You said it was a contract, and I did what the contract stated. It stated $5 fare, and I paid that. And I paid that. And I paid that. Now I've been choked, I've been bent, I've been slammed against the hood, the trunk of the car. No, for $7, and it did no, and it showed no additional fee. No, it was no additional fee. It was nowhere in that cab. He mentioned no additional fee. I paid what was supposed to be paid.
Absolutely.
I paid what's supposed to be paid. What tase then? Tase, get the tase, because I paid what's supposed to be paid. If we're going to go through all of this, because 7,000, y'all know I did right. I paid what's supposed to be paid. I didn't walk off on that man. I waited there. I tried to talk to him. He called up talking about motherfucker this. And called.
You know, sir, he could have already had you to the jail and you'd be ready for
jail. No, I wouldn't be. I wouldn't be. You know why?
Why?
Why? Because one, I have no bond money. Two, I did nothing wrong to get a record.
I
don't know what's going on, y'all. I'm trying to tell you, I don't know what's going on. No, you told me. Okay. You told me what the charge was, but I told you I paid the fare. Even you as the captain said I made a contract.
Sir, at this point, if you're going to continue to yell, we're not going to talk.
I'm not trying to yell, man.
No.
I just want help.
We will talk to you in normal tones of voice, but we're not going to respond to your yelling any
I'm not trying to yell at y'all. I tried to talk to y'all, man. Like y'all taking me to jail. Look, I've been doing everything I can to stay my ass out of jail, and I paid this fee. Because that's what he told me was on the fare. He did not have no minimum fee. There was no minimum fee. It mentioned that nowhere. He mentioned that no time. I knew nothing of it. At the time I was there, I didn't have the money to pay all of that. I had to come home and I told him that. But he called the police. My money was at the house. All I had was the $5. And then if she tried to give you the money, you said it was past that point. And I told him, I didn't know it was a minimum fee. I mean, I'm trying to understand, like what part of that, but if it would have never happened if the man would have said, well, you know, I never mentioned the minimum fee to them. But you know what?
Hey, Will, give me
what's up? You know what? Let me
pull that out and just put it in the
Watch out. I'm gonna get in the car. Myself. I'm a man of my word.
Can we get his stuff out of his pocket? So my stuff is in his pocket. My bill money is in his pocket. That's where we was headed to.
I'm a man of my word. Now listen. So go ahead and tell me what I'm being charged with. As of right now.
Malicious injury, real problem.
What's the problem?
You just broke my car up, bro. You broke the bottom panel on the car.
That's because y'all pulling my feet are cuffed. It's hooked to the bottom. I can't. You were pulling me.
The other charge is just an arrest.
Oh, well, then I might as well go ahead and just wait for everybody else.
Too
close to my gun.
I'm also going to charge you with assaulting an officer on 2 counts while resisting arrest, and you're also going to be charged with breach of peace.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. I don't know me, Dancehall. You know, I only try my best to make you see what's going on out there and keep you up to date and posted. You see, in my point of view, I think that they are really trying not to use excessive force, you know, because of the whole chokehold thing that is being talked about. You see me? And I think that this person who is being arrested is making it difficult for these law enforcers to arrest him. You see me? Yeah, that's what I think. You see? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you don't know, this is where I'm going to leave it, you know. Again, let me know what you think about the whole thing, you know. And until the next time, my name is Seriousskilla. Uno pick up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.